Looks like DJI is gearing up for something huge, and the countdown has officially begun. The Mini 5 Pro is set to arrive between September 16th and 18th, which means we're only a few days away. And let me tell you, the leaks haven't slowed down at all. Igor Bogdanov has already shared what seem to be official renders, and from the looks of it, this drone is rocking a 1-inch camera along with LiDAR sensors. For a mini drone, that's seriously next level. But hey, before we dive deeper into all the exciting stuff, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It literally takes less time than powering up your drone, and it makes sure you never miss out on launches like this. Now let's talk about what you actually get. DJI isn't just dropping a drone, they're giving you choices. The Fly More combo is probably the one most people will go for. It comes with 2,785 mAh batteries, giving you around 36 minutes of flight per charge. And here's the clever part. The drone still stays under that 250 grams mark, which is a big win in many countries since it saves you from extra paperwork or registration. Basically, just unbox, take off, and enjoy. In some markets though, DJI is going a step further with the Fly More Combo Plus. This one swaps in a larger 3350 mAh battery, which boosts your flight time to a crazy 52 minutes. That's nearly double the usual session most pilots get. The only trade-off, it bumps the drone over the 250 grams limit, so depending on where you live, you might have to deal with stricter regulations. So yeah, it's kind of a choice between maximum freedom or maximum flight time. Both bundles come packed with accessories. Aside from the drone, you're getting a brand new all-in-one gimbal and propeller guard, which means no more fiddling with separate covers. It's just one snap-on piece that keeps things protected. You also get 3 intelligent flight batteries, 6 extra prop sets, a filter kit, a charger, a cable, and a carrying case. DJI clearly knows most people want the full kit right out of the box. As for controllers, the Fly More combo lets you choose. There's the budget-friendly RCN3, which doesn't have a screen and relies on your phone, or the more premium RC2 with its built-in display. Honestly, the RC2 is just way more convenient. Power it on and you're ready to fly. No need to mess around. When it comes to pricing, leaks suggest the Fly More combo with the RC2 is staying pretty familiar. In Europe, it's expected to land at around 129 euros, in the UK about 979 pounds, and in the US, the base kit should be somewhere between $750 and $800. The Fly More combo itself will likely push past the $1,000 mark. Pretty much the same ballpark as the Mini 4 Pro, but this time with even more features packed inside. So that's the scoop on the DJI Mini 5 Pro, one of the most hyped mini drones of the year. Now all that's left is to see how it actually performs in the sky. Catch you in the next one.